Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alip Priyanto from 12 Audio Video Engineering. So today I will tell you how to make power amplifier and passive speaker.
So the tools are solder, soldering stand, cutting pliers, attractor, drill, cutter, roller, screwdriver, and pencil. Ingredients: power supply, 150 watt power amplifier OCL, monotone control, preamp mic, Bluetooth MP3, 8-inch speaker, tenol, AC switch, cable, 8-inch speaker box, tweeter, bolt nut set, foot box, and cooling fan.
First, dissolve the PCB. Second, drill the PCB. Third, soldering the circuit. Fourth, install to the box. 5. Connect cable speaker to amplifier. 6. Connect cable to the stop contact. 7. Turn on the amplifier and adjust.
If you want it, you can buy only 800, 9,000 and 500 rupiah. You can buy via IG. My product electro instrument have more feature: MP3 Bluetooth, bass, treble, mic, and speaker 8-inch. So buy now, you can get more feature with this.